Putting your food funnel together is really easy. You're gonna have a bag full of parts. You'll have 4 rods like this, and then the food funnel, of course. If you dump these parts bags out, the first thing you're gonna need are these white caps, and these are just gonna go on one end of the rod, on all 4 rods. And then you'll have 2 different types of thumb screws. One will be kind of edged like that, one will be flat. And then you should have 4 of these one-piece brackets. The flat thumb screw is going to thread into this part of the one-piece bracket. You should have 4 of those total. Just thread all 4 of those into the brackets. Then you'll have 8 of these types of thumb screw. You'll have 4 of these types of 90-degree brackets. One for each corner of the food funnel. You're gonna slide that bracket and line the holes up on each corner. The one-piece bracket will go on top. The threaded part that this screw is going to screw into is in this one-piece bracket, and you're gonna do that on all 4 sides of the funnel. Once you have all 4 corners done, you can take these rods, poke them through these 2 holes, and then you can tighten down this thumb screw until it snugs up with that rod. Your white capped feet are gonna go on the bottom, and at this point, you're ready to flip this over after you've tightened all those thumb screws on every side. And now you're ready to food funnel. You can adjust these thumb screws to lower this down or raise it up, just to accommodate whatever you're gonna fill.